Class 6 NCERT Chapter 9 Question 8 Explain why speed is important for survival in the grassland for animals that live there. Hint: there are few trees or places of animals in hiding grassland habitat. The answer is speed is important. Speed is important for survival in the grassland for animals. Grassland for animals to avoid predation from their predators. For example, tiger eats deer to survive. Deer has to run faster than the tiger.